We all know Shailendraji as one of the greatest legendary lyricist of all time. I mean, no one can come close, and I don't think anybody will ever be of that caliber and quality. But here I would like to request you to share with us Shailendraji as a person and as your dad.
ऐसे तो बहुत मुश्किल होगा कि सारी बातें बताना, पर आई विल टच ऑन अ कपल ऑफ थिंग्स विच टच मी द मोस्ट. Baba was a fantastic father. I mean, I didn't ever realize as a child that he was such a famous person, such a famous lyricist. To us, he was a father, and that was what it was to us. He would spend, whenever he was free and at home, especially on the weekends or something, he would spend a lot of time with all the children. And जैसे आपको मालूम है, बॉम्बे की बरसात, it can be very severe, and for days it rains without stopping. तो ऐसे समय में जब हम लोग, we were the kids, that is, were locked, not locked rather, were not able to step out of the house because of heavy rains, then, and if Baba happened to be home, then he would encourage us to sing. I mean, he would bring out the harmonium, he would sing himself, and he would ask each of my siblings and myself to sing something for him. And then he would have, he would come up with something like, okay, let's have a art competition. Let's see, each 5 of you draw something, and I will be the judge. And whoever does the best drawing, let's see. And yours truly, I used to be the winner always because I had a good hand at drawing. Other times, as I said, I mean, he's a very, very simple, very humble person. एक बार ऐसा हुआ, बाबा कुर्ते पजामा पहने हुए थे, सुबह का टाइम था, अपना सिगरेट पी रहे थे खिड़की पे खड़े होके, और जो हमारा ग्रोसरी वाला था बनिया, वो अपना बिल लेके आया, और बाबा के साथ, वी वर ऑन द फर्स्ट फ्लोर, सो ही केम अप एंड बाबा के आमने सामने मुलाकात हुई, और उन्होंने देखा ये तो हो नहीं सकता, शैलेंद्र जी तो इतना कुर्ते पजामे में, ये कौन है? तो उन्होंने बोला, जरा शैलेंद्र जी हैं? तो पापा ने कहा हाँ है, तो ज़रा बुला दीजिए उनको. तो पापा ने बोला अच्छा 1 मिनट रुको आप, मैं बुलाता हूँ अभी. तो वो गया, अपने कपड़े वपड़े बदल के आए. बोला मैं तो that grocery बनिया was so embarrassed that he apologized million times. But it was not the intention to apologize, I mean to make him apologize, but it was just the fact that he was very simple. For us, just growing up as children, I mean all me and my sibling, our the gifts were not toys, so we would get toys to play with and all, but it was not toys that we got as gifts. If we were sick, birthdays, occasions, Holi, Diwali, all these big occasions, we got books and more books. So we were encouraged to read. I mean, and once I asked, I mean, we were having a conversation on prayers and all, and then Baba, being kind of a non-believer, mentioned, okay, you go ahead and pray, or in anything in life, he said, you try to reason out, and if you're convinced with the answers that you're getting, go ahead and follow it. But if you're not convinced, do not follow it. Don't follow anything blindly. So I think that's a very relevant advice. And these are small snippets of his way of bringing us up. And I remember very clearly also that there were 2 afternoon newspapers in Bombay there was an evening news published by Times of India and a bulletin which was published by the Indian Express. So we used to get both the newspapers and plus various periodicals and newspapers used to come. So these were two, and each of these two papers had a crossword puzzle in them. Baba would encourage, we may not have been more than 8 or 10 years old, but he would get us involved in trying to solve those crossword puzzles. And I can tell you, I learned so many words, which I know till today. Had I not been doing those crossword puzzles, I would have never known them. So, he was a very loving, affectionate, emotional father. He didn't want to see us hurt under any circumstance. And he was always caring. He was always concerned that, nothing should happen to us. His way of pulling us up or correcting us was silence. Whereas my mother would give us corporal punishment, like beat us up and all. But once the pain died, so did the lesson. But in case of Baba, when he gave us the silent look or said, "Don't talk to me," for some time. That was more painful, maybe 1,000 times worse than the slaps which we would have got from our mother. And I think these are just general memories of Baba.
Thank you so very much, Manoj ji. Thank you so very much for sharing your valuable treasure of memories of your father. And yes, thank you very much, everyone.
होठों पे सच्चाई रहती है, जहाँ दिल में सफाई रहती है। हम उस देश के वासी हैं, हम उस देश के वासी हैं, जिस देश में गंगा बहती है। होठों पे सच्चाई रहती है, जहाँ दिल में सफाई रहती है। हम उस देश के वासी हैं, हम उस देश के वासी हैं, जिस देश में गंगा बहती है। मेहमा जो हमारा होता है, वो जान से प्यारा होता है। मेहमा जो हमारा होता है, वो जान से प्यारा होता है। ज्यादा की नहीं लालच हमको, थोड़े में गुजारा होता है, थोड़े में गुजारा होता है। बच्चों के लिए जो धरती माँ सदियों से सभी कुछ सहती है। हम उस देश के वासी हैं, हम उस देश के वासी हैं, जिस देश में गंगा बहती है।